Hello and welcome back to Market Watch, where we discuss all things related to the stock market. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of investing in the stock market, knowing when to buy and sell stocks. As you know, investing in the stock market can be a tricky business, and making the right decision at the right time can be the key to success. So, let's dive into the topic and explore some of the important factors to consider when buying and selling stocks. When to buy stocks. When it comes to buying stocks, there are a few important factors to consider. Firstly, it's crucial to research the company you're interested in and assess its financial health and performance. Look for companies that have a strong balance sheet, steady revenue growth, and a history of profitability. This can give you an idea of the company's stability and its potential for future growth. Another important factor to consider when buying stocks is the market conditions. It's generally a good idea to buy stocks when the market is down or undervalued, as this can present opportunities to buy high-quality stocks at a lower price. This is often referred to as buying on sale. It's important to note that timing the market can be difficult, and trying to catch the exact bottom of a market downturn can be a risky strategy. When considering when to buy a stock, it's also important to have a long-term investment strategy. It's not recommended to try to time the market or to make quick trades based on short-term fluctuations. Instead, focus on companies with strong fundamentals and hold on to those stocks for the long term. This can help you weather market downturns and capitalize on long-term growth opportunities. When to sell stocks. Knowing when to sell stocks is just as important as knowing when to buy them. One of the main reasons to sell a stock is when the company's financial health and performance have deteriorated. This can include declining revenue, profitability, or market share. In this case, it may be best to sell your shares and cut your losses. Another reason to sell stocks is when the stock has reached its target price. It's important to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and to set realistic price targets for each stock you own. Once the stock has reached that target, it may be time to sell and take your profits. It's also important to stay up to date with the stock market news and company-specific news. If there is negative news about a company, such as a scandal or regulatory investigation, it may be a good idea to sell your shares before the stock price drops. On the other hand, positive news about a company's financial performance and growth potential may provide a good reason to hold onto the stock for the long term. In conclusion, knowing when to buy and sell stocks is a critical skill for any stock market investor. It's important to do your research and assess a company's financial health and performance before making any investment decisions. Keep a long-term investment strategy in mind, and be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions, and remember to stay informed and up to date on the latest stock market news. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!